In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate USAA credit card. This is a step-by-step guide, so please follow along to get a better understanding. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged in, head to the Accounts section on the home screen. You should see your new USAA credit card listed there. If your card is ready to be activated, you'll usually see a notification or an Activate Card button next to it. Tap on Activate Card, and the app will take you through a brief verification process. You'll typically be asked to confirm the last 4 digits of your credit card, the expiration date, and possibly the CVV number on the back of the card. After submitting the required information, tap on the Activate option to complete its activation process. Well, that's how you activate your USAA credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.